all the bikes in here. I'm going inside, see if they're in there. Oh, almost forgot my key. Say what up for the YouTube. We're filming.
Yeah.
You guys eating? Can we go ride soon?
Yeah, I got full.
Can I have some?
Yeah, fill it up.
I saw a cop go by. I already saw a sheriff earlier. I have to turn off the GoPro just to drink a drink. Is there new straws? Okay, good. Don't have to freaking drink after us shit.
Yeah. And guess how much the cup was?
It's like 4.
More. What?
5?
More.
6? There's no way they charge us. I can get a meal with that much here. I can get a taco meal. Kids taco.
For a piece of cardboard. Oh, we just saw a squatted truck go through. This thing's hard.
Let's see some combos.
This thing's hard.
Let's see some combos.
You don't know about that. You get that pussy shit.
So tough. Oh my god, he was on the table.
Oh, you actually cleaned it.
Getting our money's worth sharing it. We about to go ride for real. Be outside. Florida Moto City. He's got that crap. We might drop the hoodie. I don't know. I don't really know how to make a website, but like, I don't know.
What is that?
No, that's like,
I thought it was someone here.
that's like the secondary, my guy. Everyone's here, bro. We outside. Guys, come in. We're going to the detour. Get some tough clips with no cops and no cars. Sorry. Nah, she's not happy. That guy just honked at me. Is that your dad?
Oh shoot, she's pissed.
No, she's gonna hit me now. She's gonna hit me.
Whoa. Oh, she's pissed.
Oh no, she's so mad. This theory, but multiple people have commented on our channel saying we're a repost channel, and we are not a repost channel. It's just like we just post everyone's bikes because they just want them to be posted. So. Toga water? Oh my god! Oh my god! Get in front of me! Get in front of me on this next straightaway. Get some clips, my boy. This is the smoothest road you'll ever find. So nice. Stop at the stop sign, buddy! What is he doing? Just blowing the stop sign like that.
Stop at the stop sign?
Yeah, I stop at stop signs. That's not even funny, bro. Not funny in the slightest bit. Get some clips for the YouTube. Get some clips for the YouTube. Get some clips! Come on, pop that crap up! Top FN. Oh, one-handers? Wait, I saw that clip of you almost hand-dragging.
Oh, hand drag? It's so sketch.
I know it is.
I need speed.
Was that 12?
Yeah.
Alright, that was 12. Bro, you guys gotta stop riding in the road like every second.
Why do y'all really road so much now? Like it's not worth it.
It's blocked up.
No, I know, but like even on like Paradise and like other places.
Well, why not though?
Well, I mean, like it's just not worth it.
Oh, this.
I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice, I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight.
Go in front of me. I really hope one of those guys loop for the video. I'm not gonna lie. They loop like every 5 minutes. Wait, turn around. What? Wait, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
I thought you were Judah, you scared me. I thought you were about to go like straight through.
That would have been bad, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, that's what Judah does.
Is that what Judah actually does? Oh my god.
You see that?
Yeah, you're actually getting pretty good at that. Wait, Baja from mxwrap.
You sewed FL MOTO.
He just crashed! He just crashed! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! No, no, no. Probably no damage. Probably no damage. Oh, just the ultra.
Dude, hold up. What?
Oh. Wait, the foot. How did that happen?
No, that was zip tied. That was the.
Why was your foot lock zip tied on?
Because the bolt is broken.
How did that happen?
Is everything good?
Yo,
Oh, your fender's hecka cooked.
I already have a new one, so it's fine.
Okay.
Chill.
Sorry.
I can't put this back. I need Allen's.
Gabe's actually getting so good on the Rizzler. Wait, Judah! Trade bikes, trade bikes, trade bikes. Actually, we're gonna just ride in this neighborhood. We're not gonna go with them. Just turn the switch. Just turn the key. It's like on, but like the key's not on.
Oh, y'all are switching?
Yeah. Let's just go back to that main road. It's a lot of fun there. Oh, he took off his front brake. I was like, oh, guys, wait. Go after this truck. This thing's so fun, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa! It's got some speed to it. It's fast. Yo, tough. Gabe, don't wheelie this. I mean, frick. Judah, don't wheelie the super, please.
Alright. Only Jackson.
No, no, no. No one can. All right, we back.
Just bought it for $3.10.
No, you didn't.
My new formulas, chromed out.
You like the chromed out formulas, SJ?
Actually has so much power.
Not really. It's kind of soft too for a powertrain. So.
It's so scary.
Wait, SJ, can I ride the Mac Fox? You can ride the Ozma, and then
Oh shit.
we'll like all switch in a circle. I just turned it off just in case. Oh my god, these grips are really bad, I can't lie.
That's what I'm saying. You don't like them?
They feel like plastic.
I love them.
Oh my gosh. Pro taper
like
grips
them, I
are
love them.
trash. The thing's actually just like such a different feel than my bike, but it's like kind of the same. I don't know, it's really fun actually. I feel so much taller on it. And also the seat is so thick, it feels so nice. This man has bought $400 worth of different brakes, and he's back to like pretty much stock ones. Wait, let's make an edit of the bikes just for like the long form. We're gonna make an edit of the bikes. Forgot how my own bike feels. Wait a minute. Judah! I think Judah could like fly out of this. Judah! Come here. No, not way past your galley.
A bunch of people.
You think Judah could go down there from the road, go down there and then fly out of it and get air?
No.
You don't think so?
After you get air, really. No, I don't think so.
Try, I'll like block traffic. Just go into it full speed, see if you can get air. Oh, that would be kind of funny for the video, but I'll feel so bad. No, not die, but like get hurt, like just fall. If he doesn't get hurt, that would be kind of cool. Oh, that was trash. Just kidding. I think he might have been. Guys, let this young man past. Yeah, we're getting impounded. Guys, let's see what's in here. I left the group. This looks cool back here, so. Oh my gosh! It's a dead end. People drift their cars in here, or is it just because it's like freshly paved? It's a dead end. I think I kind of knew that because the sign said dead end, but like thought it might have gone a little bit further. But it goes like 2 centimeters. Oh my gosh! I kind of almost died just now. Clippy clip, 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 clippity clip. It's about a hand drag or fat fall, one or the other. I got you, bro. I got a good clip. Oh, you're so close. Yeah, but we have the crosswalk. What are we doing?
That's it for the video. Like and subscribe and stay blessed.
You broke my heart.